Recently, a credit repair company tagged me in a post that they had shared about using CPN numbers. They wanted people to contact them to learn more so that they can improve their credit scores. For those of you that are not familiar with a CPN number can be referred to as a credit privacy number, a credit protection number, or it may be referred to as something else. At any rate, a CPN number is usually the stolen Social Security number of deceased individuals. If you are caught using this number, you could face jail time or even fines. So again, if you see this online, please do not connect with any company that promotes a CPN number. And anyone that knows me knows that I do not promote credit repair scams at all. And so if you are looking to improve your credit the right way, it starts with understanding the factors that impact your credit scores, as well as taking control of your personal finances. If you'd like to learn more about how to improve your credit the right way, you can check out my books, my online courses, and much more. You can visit the link in the post with this video. This is Dr. Andrea Johnson, your doctor of finance. Have a wonderful day.